Hi guys, this is Mohammed with you. This is MDF-IT channel. This is part of series in configuration Windows Server 2016. In this video, I will show you how to deploy a nano-server. In Windows Server 2016, Microsoft released NanoServer, another installation option that is scaled down even further. NanoServer is headless. It has no local user interface, no 30-bit application support, and only the most basic configuration controls. There is no support for remote desktop. To administer the system, you use Remote Management WinRM, Remote PowerShell Connection, and Management Interface WMI tools. A nano-server is ideal for a number of scenarios, like a compute of Hyper-V virtual machine, either in cluster or node, as a storage host for scale-out file server. It's also very frequent to use a nano-server as a DNS server and also a web server running Internet Information Services (IIS) and as a host for applications that are developed using cloud application partner and run in a container or virtual machine guest operation system. Awesome. Let's start. I will mount this. Where is it? There it is. I will mount this ISO. Here we find the nano server. Click, and here we have a packages to all the packages that we will need. For example, storage, IIS packages, guest packages for to use VM, virtual machine file cluster packages, DNS package defender for security and containers. We are also NanoServerImageGenerator. In this folder we have example. We have a NanoServerImageGenerator PSM. That's mean PowerShell for PS, and M that's mean module. PowerShell module. We will use it. Now I will copy this folder in my partition. For example, I will choose D, partition D. We may copy. Here I will create a new folder, and I will give him a name like NanoServer, and I will copy all the folder. Okay, well, here I have the folder NanoServer. Awesome. Well, after I go to I open Windows PowerShell as administrator, run as administrator. Click right click here, and I choose run as administrator. Yes, good. Enter in the folder that I will create it. CD server. Up. We will verify the type of execution policy. For this, get okay and unrestricted. Well, here I'm looking for a folder that contain a script. Okay. Okay. Now I will import the module. Import. Okay. Choose one script. There is two scripts. I will choose one, for example, PowerShell module here, or verbose. I should use verbose dash verbose. Okay. Well, now I will create the password of server. For this, I will, for example, ppt dash security string dash string. For example, I choose password. It's just for lab test. AsPlainText dash force. Okay. Good. Now I will create the VHDX. For this, use new NanoServerImage dash MediaPath. Here it's the, I will use F for it's the ISO image. Here I have the DVD drive F. So I will use F, drive F for MediaPath. Dash target. target path for the VHDX dot slash back. I will give him a name. I will give it name. For example, I will choose nano file. For example, I give him nanofile dot vhdx. Good. Dash. Here I will choose the edition for the server. In my case, I will choose Datacenter. Well, deployment type. Deployment type, we have two types of deployment, host or guest. In my case, I will use guest. Guests it's used for a VM, virtual machine, and host for physical machine. Dash compute. I give him name of computer name of machine. Give him Nano-IIS, for example, Nano-IIS dash AdministratorPassword. Here I will use $PWD here. I can enable this functionality after, but I will do it now. EnableRemoteManagementPort. Okay. And I will install also Defender package. Dash package. Here, for example, I will choose package of IIS. This one, just for a copy, without the extension cap, without it. Copy. Okay, good. Come here. Paste. Well. for the packages, if everyone will be able to choose which package they need. In my case, I choose, for example, Microsoft-NanoServer-IIS package. But you can, for example, choose DNS or storage as you like. There is parameter can't be found that match parameter name enable remote defender. Okay. I given him space here. Convert image processor. Okay. Now I will verify. Okay. It seems I will. There is the file vhdx. 600 megabyte. Now I will create a VM with the disk that I just created. Here in Hyper-V Manager, we just I will close it and show you how to get Hyper Manager. Here we write Hyper -V Manager. Click on Action, New, Virtual Machine, New. Here I will make the name of VM, virtual machine. I will give him Nano-IIS. Next, I will choose generation 2, because if I choose, for example, extension VHD, I will choose generation 1, but I will choose here VHDX in the script. So I will choose a second generation. I'll let him 124 megabyte for the memory. Here, each new virtual machine includes a network adapter. You can configure the network adapter to use a virtual switch, or it can remain disconnected. I already create a new switch, external switch, so I will choose it. I will show you later how to create switch in Hyper-V Manager. Here I will choose use an existing virtual hard disk here and give him the path. It is ND NanoServer-ImageGenerator here, nanofile.vhdx. Open. Next. Finish. Okay, I will click on the VM, connect, start. This is a nano server.